Mr. Chairman, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, as we have gathered here for a midterm review and to reiterate our commitment to the Water Action Agenda under International Decade for Action, allow me to highlight the priorities, policy, and actions of India that are organically linked to achieve the SDG 6 targets. To give greater coherence and synergy to water management in India, a unified Ministry of Jal Shakti was created in 2019 by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. The 5 principles that form the bedrock of our actions are political will, public financing, partnerships, people's participation, and persuasion for ensuring sustained behavioral change. We have committed investment of more than $440 billion in the water sector through government resources, in partnerships with private innovators, startups, and water user associations. India is implementing 2 flagship missions to ensure universal access to sanitation and drinking water. Jal Jeevan Mission, or Water Life Mission, which is synonymous with the SDG goal 6.1, aims to achieve safe and affordable drinking water in India in the rural households by 2024. Manage own in-village water supply systems, developing robust institutions and assist capacity building of stakeholders on significance of water for improvement in quality of life. With a commitment to successfully implement this ambitious $50 billion program in a mission mode, we are poised to achieve SDG 6.1 well before 2030. India's Swachh Bharat mission or Clean India mission milestone was reached in 2019 when the country was declared open defecation free. In our journey to achieve SDG 6.2 since 2014, we have built over 105 million toilets and transformed sanitation habits through mass-scale behavior change of more than 600 million Indians. This campaign continues through our efforts at ensuring sustainable solid and liquid waste management solutions in all 600,000 villages and communities in India. Our ambitious national mission for Clean Ganga, or Namami Gange, is recently recognized by the United Nations in Convention of Biodiversity Conference COP15 at Montreal as one of the top 10 world restoration flagship to revive the natural world. This mission has created a paradigm shift in river rejuvenation, pollution abatement, conservation of ecosystem, and holistic approach to river-based management. Earth Ganga, a model of circular economy, fully aligns with the SDG goals 6.3 and 6.6, with 6B in creating environmentally friendly, sustainable practices of resource management by local communities for water security. India is also implementing the world's largest dam rehabilitation program to build climate resilience, critical water storage infrastructure. Due to our unique geography, India is among the largest users of groundwater in the world. However, today we are making efforts to restore groundwater level and creating mindful communities by combining demand and supply side interventions through village water security plans, including behavioral changes on water uses and conservation at the grassroots level. Financing these plans through incentives and convergence of existing programs. This had led to creating greater community ownership in the equitable management of water at local level. To make water conservation a national campaign, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan in 2019, a national call for action to promote water conservation and recharge, including rainwater harvesting. This is an annual campaign, and communities are encouraged and supported in the restoration of traditional water bodies and rejuvenation of rivulets, water conservation, and rainwater harvesting, reuse and recharge of bore wells, watershed development, and intensive afforestation activities. At COP26, Prime Minister Modi introduced the concept of life, or lifestyle for environment. This concept was translated into an action agenda with the launch of Mission Life by UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres and Prime Minister Modi in October 2022. The initiatives aim to encouraging people to pick pro-planet sustainable choices in their daily lives, to live sustainably and reduce our environmental footprint, and is driven by the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Water is at the heart of Mission Life. I appeal all the delegates to successfully adopt Mission Life in this international decade for action of water. Today, as this August UN Water Conference brings to focus once again the objectives of Sustainable Development Goals, let me assure you of India's commitment, support, and partnerships in our collective endeavor to achieve the important goals of Water Action Decade. I thank you very much.
I thank the Minister of Water Power of India. Now